Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the frame and surrounding trim so you know what's wrong and why. Remove one hinge screw to free the door slightly. This relieves tension and makes alignment checks accurate. Measure the old mesh and spline width and note hinge spacing in inches so replacements match. Once done, set tools within reach: screwdriver, pliers, spline roller, replacement spline, and mesh. Do this first because accurate measurements and a freed hinge prevent rework later when you stretch and seat the new mesh. You remove the old spline and mesh carefully so you don't warp the frame. Use pliers to pull the spline out, then lift the mesh from the groove. This exposes any rust or paint that must be cleaned. Clean the groove with a flat tool and a cloth. Debris prevents a tight seal. Cut the new mesh a couple centimeters over size so you can tension it. Then, position the mesh starting opposite the hinges. This gives you control when you begin seating the spline and ensures even tension across the door. You press the replacement spline into the groove with a spline roller, working from the center of each side toward the corners to avoid wrinkles. Make smooth passes and keep consistent pressure so the mesh seats evenly. Once all sides are done, trim excess mesh flush to the spline with a utility knife, reinstall hinges, and test the door swing and seal. If you see sagging, release a section of spline, retension the mesh, and reseat it. Adding 1/2 to 1 centimeter extra at corners prevents future loosening.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.